Are the bears taking control? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, April the 22nd. And as we said yesterday, it looked like the bears might be taking control, and we thought that there could be a reversal yesterday, and certainly it was a pretty solid reversal, and boy, did it get ugly late. And we're picking up today right where we left off. There's been a couple of rally attempts that have failed, and we're getting cracked pretty good right now. The Dow's down about 400. We're long. The Nasdaq's down 120, we're short. The S&P is down 48, we're long. And the Russell's down 185, and we're short. You know, again, I think that obviously we'll be reversing most likely if we stay down here over the weekend on the other two indexes. But it looks pretty bad. Okay, and it looks, you know, the volume is back a little bit. We're still not where I'd like to be, but it's shaping up, and certainly there's always going to be rallies when you get these sell-offs and these reversals. But I don't know if it's going to come today. In the meantime, crude is down about $1.40. No big deal. It's trading at 103. I mean, you know, again, we're still long. Gold and silver have made a little bit of a recovery from some earlier pressure. We're still long, but they look pretty sad. The inability to take out those tops, and the first failure up around 2000 was expected, but not this ugly and not to get back below. So. Obviously, we're long still. I would suspect that, you know, a lower close might trigger a reversal here. You know, platinum continues to get crushed down at 930. We don't trade anymore, but it certainly would be short if we did. The dollar is higher and we're long. Bitcoin is lower and we're short. Copper is lower, we're short. Natural gas is lower, we're still long. I mean, it's still at $7. Jeez Louise. Bonds and notes are trying to rally a little bit, but again, you expect that. Again, we tell you all the time, expect rallies when markets get too heavily sold off. And of course, yesterday the bonds got clocked, so you're going to see a little bit of a natural bounce back. In the meantime, again, we're still short, and I think they're going a lot lower. Interest rates are going a lot higher. Mortgage rates are already over 5%. Okay, and in the grain markets, a little soft today. All of them are down about 10 cents. We're long across, and look, I think this is probably a buying opportunity. You're going to get some selling. You're going to come to some key support levels. So we'll see what it looks like. And of course, in the protein complex, fats and feeders are both, we'll call them unchanged, but they're slightly lower. Hogs are, and we're short both. Hogs are higher and we're long. And the softs, cotton is lower, we're long. Coffee is higher, we're long. Sugar is lower, we're long. Cocoa is lower, we're short. And OJ is higher, and we are still short. So again, it's a picture. Again, you know, everything's not going to always go your way every day. I think it's just important to recognize where you are and recognize the conditions of the market. And, you know, it looks a little bit more exciting today, but it is still pretty thin. So if you're going to day trade, be very careful. In the meantime, listen, have a great weekend. You know, there's always a Monday, and there's always the next trade up. So you don't have to force anything today. Remember our sponsors, they're either on the bottom or on the sides, and it's Capital Trading Group, Trader Brokerage, who will have cryptos soon, and a Strategic Wealth Preservation for your physical metals needs. And of course, don't forget our high school program as we continue to rebuild it and get it ready to go again. It's been a challenge with these high schools, but we're going to get it back in there, and because we give it to them for free. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line, and of course, Monday with another Bubba's Day update. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you later.